Hello traders and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are looking at the open lock expert advisor for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. This is a grid and averaging system designed for gold on the 1 hour time frame, and the developer positions it as a recovery style expert advisor with risk controls. I also ran a full year test to see how it performs in recent conditions, so make sure you watch this video to the end to get the full picture. But before we dive into today's EA, we have a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in. You can get it for free 100% by using the link in the description below, so ensure you check it out. It's totally worth it. Now, without wasting any much of your time, let's talk about the Open Lock Expert Advisor. It was developed by Sergey Liko, who is a programmer from Russia, quite popular on the MQ5 community with 4.4 stars out of 81 ratings. Has about 7 products, and this particular EA, the open lock, goes for 299 US dollars, which is approximately 300 US dollars. It has 6 reviews, 5-star rating, and 17 comments from different people, including the developer himself. These are people who are using the open lock. This is exactly how it looks on the chart on MQ5 or on the MetaTrader 5 or on MetaTrader 4. Now let's talk about the strategy and the workings behind the open lock. The EA works by opening an initial order, then adding averaging orders in the same direction when price moves against the position. It includes settings for maximum lot size and averaging orders, maximum number of averaging orders in one direction, and time windows for opening those orders. It also has risk management, such as equity level protection, the actions to take when risk limits are reached, and whether to do nothing or close everything. The developer presents it as a controlled grid and averaging system for gold that can recover losing positions through averaging by keeping risk parameters adjustable. We don't really get the backtest numbers or any signals to gauge how profitable this expert advisor is trading live or during tests. All we get is just the information on how to use the expert advisor. But nonetheless, I tested it, so let us look at the features that the features marketed by the developer. We have the grid and averaging logic. Yeah, they are not shy about this. It's clear. They have the grid and averaging logic, and also they have the max lot and max number of averaging orders, and they also have the time filters, the opening average orders, the equity and drawdown protection levels. We also have the options for what to do when risk limits are hit. It's designed as a recovery style grid EA for gold with built-in risk controls to prevent uncontrolled growth of positions. Yeah, we also have the time to open orders. All these settings are adjustable. Let me show you on the MetaTrader 5. Now this is how it looks. This is how it looks. These are the settings you can adjust. Maximum number or average in one direction, and the time settings, whether you choose to stop trading, actions to take when the risk limit is reached. You can adjust this to locking all positions and stop, or close all positions and stop. Basically the open lock expert advisor. I guess this is where it got its name from. Then the equity level in currency, all of these are key features and settings that can be adjusted. But these are the defaults from the developer, and I use these defaults to run a backtest on XAUUSD on the 1 hour time frame to see how it performs in the market. I tested it from June 2025 to June 2026 with a $10,000 deposit, and the result was a net profit of about $101. It's very conservative. The profit factor is 1.4, and the max drawdown stayed very low, around 0.67 to 0.72. 0.67 on the balance and 0.72 on the equity, and the win rate was roughly 59.5%. The equity curve showed steady upward growth with only minor pullbacks and good recovery throughout the year, so this was very conservative. The balance line didn't stray too far from the equity line. Everything was steady until the end of the backtest. And compared to typical grid systems that often show high drawdowns, this one kept its risk very controlled in my test. Although the profitability was modest, we are seeing only $100 in profit, about $100. And honestly, Open Lock EA behaved like a disciplined grid and averaging system on gold. Very disciplined, I would have to give it that, because we didn't really have much drawdowns on this. The catch is that this type of EAs can still suffer during strong one-sided trends if the maximum number of averaging orders or lot limits are reached. In my test, it stayed very safe with low drawdowns, but that also means it didn't take huge risks. We took only 121 trades in total for the year, and it stayed very safe. It performed cleanly without blowing up the account, which is a positive for a grid style EA on gold of all pairs. But we can see the kind of trades it takes. These are actual trades taken on the EA. This is it. So many trades taken almost in concurrent periods. It's still risky because it has the grid, but the EA still managed to keep the drawdown very minimal. This is for traders who understand grid and averaging logic, who want a controlled version on gold with risk protections. It can suit prop accounts because of the very low drawdown in testing, but beginners should be very careful with this type of systems, especially grid systems. You can still lose if strong trends continue beyond the max averaging limits. Always test thoroughly on your own broker and with the lot sizes you plan to use. I always advise this. Test on different pairs on different time frames based on your risk appetite and your style, your preferences in the inputs. If you can't get it properly, if you can't set the inputs right, it's a good thing to always send a message to the developer, Mr. Sege, and he is probably going to send you the set files to use so that you can trade with the EA properly, considering the fact that you're getting it for about 300 US dollars. Now, it's important they also have a blog. They have a blog here where they have recommendations on setting up the EA. Although this blog is written in complete Russian language, not English, so you need a translator to be able to read what is here. Okay, I just downloaded my translator from Russian to English, as you can see, and this is what we have, explaining how the EA opens its orders and how it closes it. I've explained all of this based on the inputs, so it has all the settings here. You can go through it properly and tune it to find your style, to find your preferences, to find your risk appetite when trading with the Open Lock Expert Advisor. I've come to the end of this review. Like the video if you want more real expert advisor reviews like this one. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Comment below which EA you want me to review next, and don't forget to grab the free Forex robot from the description below. The link is there. Trade safe out there, and I'll see you on the next video.